Today is the 52nd birthday of Ilham Tohti. He is a Uyghur professor, a writer, researcher, and blogger, and he was sentenced to life in prison by CCP 7 years ago. Ilham has been the winner of the Sakharov Prize and also for other important international human rights awards, and he has been twice nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. And Ilham Tohti has been alerting the world to the Chinese government's crackdown on Uyghurs, and he did his best to advocate understanding and peace. His sentence was also a signal of a new round of the genocide by the CCP against Uyghurs. So Dr. Ilham Tohti, we are fighting for your release. We will never forget you. We will stand with you forever. Happy birthday.